The bad odor we smell comes from the bacteria that live on our skin. These bacteria metabolize the proteins and fatty acids in our sweat, causing body odor. That's where deodorant comes in, neutralizing and killing the bacteria. Antiperspirants work differently. Instead of fighting the odor, they bypass sweat altogether, blocking your pores with aluminum. This way, without sweat, the bacteria have no proteins or fatty acids from which to make the stinky smell. Sometimes, you can buy a product that is both a deodorant and an antiperspirant. If you buy these products, you should know that they have certain health risks. Certain studies have already proven that the aluminum that is applied topically through antiperspirants with aluminum salts can be absorbed into your body. All of these compounds can have toxic effects on your body in certain quantities. A good way to avoid contact with aluminum is to use an aluminum-free deodorant, preferably made with natural ingredients. Here is how to naturally avoid body odor. Recipe 1. Ingredients: the peel of 3 lemons, the peel of 3 oranges, 1 liter of water, 3 spoonfuls of baking soda, 1 cup of sea salt. Instructions: grate the fruit peels and boil them in the water. Strain the mixture and let it cool. Add the salt and baking soda. Mix it well and store it in another container. You can use it under your arms, or on another area of your body. You can even use it in your bath water. Recipe 2. This natural deodorant is made with lemon and is very effective. Ingredients: 100 milliliters of water, 20 milliliters of 90% alcohol, 4 spoonfuls of rosemary, 5 drops of lemon essence, 10 drops of witch hazel extract. Instructions: boil some water and when it starts to boil add the rosemary leaves. Turn off the stove and let the liquid sit for about 10 minutes, with the lid on. Add the alcohol, lemon essence, and witch hazel right after that. Mix well and store in a glass jar. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.